Okay, I'm gonna try backtesting at least 2 weeks. So I did backtest March. Where the fuck is Notion? There you go. I did backtest February 2023. I had a 75% win rate. I had 6 wins, 2 losses, and I was up $2,000. So I'm just gonna continue that. There we go. Just want to lock in. I'm not even gonna listen to music. Let's go next day. So explaining my model really quickly is just internal to external liquidity, trading during the macro, and using the Fibonacci as an entry trigger. I usually enter at the equilibrium and place my stop below or above the 7.9. Where's the thing? Yeah, there we go. So I'm just gonna wait for the macro. Okay, there we go. So let's go on the higher time frames. Okay, so on the 4-hour, we are respecting this 4-hour gap, and it looks like we are pretty bearish. Let's see the 1-hour. The 1-hour, we are respecting this 1-hour gap, and then we're going lower. We are respecting these gaps. Where's my? Does it reset every time? Okay, so we tapped equilibrium. So price either goes higher through like the entire leg, or we can just make a move lower here. Damn, looks like there was 10 a.m. news. There wasn't. This is March 1st, right? It is. There was no 10 a.m. news. Am I tweaking? Oh, there's PMI. I'm fucking blind. Okay, PMI. Okay, so since we took the external draw, I mean, there is a draw right here, but I don't think we'll retrace to go take it. Yep. Did we tap this gap though? 9967599. Okay, we did tap it. This would be something that I like to call like closure gap, which when we close above a low, you can just kind of draw a line, and the nearest for value gap is kind of like where price retraces into. Doesn't have to be like here or here. Okay, so no trade. No trade. Outcome. No trades. 0. 0. 0 trades. Macro. Price action was alright. We'll follow the S. Was there SMT? So I'm gonna drag this like here. No SMT kind of. Okay, there's PMI. What is it? 10 a.m. No trade. Let's take a picture of this chart. Picture of the 1-minute chart. So where the macro opened, I want to mark that out. I realized like in my past videos I'm kind of like talking to myself, so I'll try not to do that. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just marking the macro so I can see where it is in the screenshots. 15-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour bearish rejection. Macro opened, trade dump, no entry. Okay. Let's go on to the next day. Did we tap the scalp? We didn't. Okay, that's fine. Rejecting off, bro. Rejecting off this 1 hour. 1 hour gap. 4 hour we didn't. 15-minute we are respecting this 15-minute. The 1 hour external is gonna be this low. So probably what's gonna happen is we either dump lower. It looks like an AMD, so we're gonna go higher right now. I just hope we don't like dump down. Okay, we tap the 50 at the 1 hour again, sorry. Right now we didn't close above any lows, so let's see if we close above this one. I don't know if I should take this. 15-minute looks pretty bearish. 1 minute we did close above this low. So I'm gonna take this, but I'm gonna take it with half risk. Just because we didn't close below this prominent low. So I'm just gonna take it with like half risk, which is 0.5%. Okay, space limit. Risk 0.5. Okay. So this is after the macro, but my rules are if the fair value gap that I want to enter off of is created during the macro, I can still leave my limit. So that was pretty nice. We entered off equilibrium. We tapped OTE. We almost tapped the 7.9. That's why I placed my stop above there. I don't place it at the high. Just to make it like a little easier for risk to reward. So let's see if there's like any SMT because I didn't check that. It's kind of my fault because I need to check it. Okay, 15-minute. No SMTs really looks the same. No significant SMT anyways. This is why like I don't like inverse fair value gaps. Like we inverse this gap, you might as well go long since we're having this bullish reaction. But this is just like, I don't know. I like equilibrium and actual fair value gaps better. Okay, so let's journal this. We have a 1 hour gap. Win. End of day, $250 almost. 150. Trade counter 1. Macro. I mean, we did kind of enter after the macro, but 1 minute. My time frame entry is always 1 minute, like 99% of the time. Price action was good, wasn't magnificent. Rules followed, yes. SMT, no. How about news? It was Thursday, March 2nd. We had unemployment claims. FC member speaks. That's like orange folder. FMC member unemployment claims. We had 8:30 and 10 a.m. I think. No, it's 4 p.m. There is no 4 p.m. Okay, when? Okay, let's put the screenshot here. 1 minute. I'm delivering off the 1 hour gap. Macro opened. Macro open, we manipulated inside it again, swept buy side. Had a reaction when the macro opened. The value gap entered off the 0.5 stop above the 7.9 lean 1-to-1. What have I learned? I didn't really learn anything new, to be honest. I'll just put that as a name. Okay, so far no trade day and then a win. So let's go next day. Friday we have PMI at 10. Let's go skip to the macro really quick. Okay, let's go 4 hour. We do have this 4 hour, but kind of looks like we're going for this high. 1 hour, kind of the same thing. Just gonna rely on the 4 hour. 15 minute, we're pretty bullish, respecting bullish price action. So I'll be open to both sides, to be honest. It doesn't look like we're rejecting the 4 hour at all. So we are we're like delivering off the 15 minute. So I might enter a trade here. And for 1-to-1. I'm gonna risk 1%. Let me, before we like actually enter, I want to check for any SMTs. Wait a second. Oh, okay. I thought I had NQ opened on both. Okay, no SMTs. Nothing to worry about. Okay. Okay. Ooh. I don't know, man. I'm just gonna keep it running. Okay, I'm gonna definitely break even there. Yep. Okay. So I skipped like 2-4 and I kind of missed what happened. This was kind of a bad trade. Because since we tapped into internal, we already took the external. We had this like big candle. There's no reason for price to like come down 50 points. And 50 points was like a lot back then. NQ was 12,000. That's like 200 points nowadays. So good break even. To be honest, I would have taken this trade. And that would have been immediately stopped out. But since we were in a 4-hour, no, the 4-hour got inversed. Well, this was like a very, very weird trade. Wait, why did I delete? I need to screenshot it. PMI didn't really do anything. Like even. End of day P&L. Oh, it doesn't say. It just say 0. Risk at 500. Macro. Price action was alright. SMT no. Wait, rules followed yes. SMT no. News, we had PMI. What was that? 10. Wait. Oh. Pretty weird trade. We were inversed the 4-hour. On the 15-minute, we were delivering from internal and already had taken external. Also 10 a.m. was PMI and the entry was a minute after. PMI was bearish, so it's unwise to trade against news. Good break even would avoid completely in hindsight. Okay, let's go next day. I'm gonna try. Wait, how long have I been recording for? 18 minutes, bro. It's only been 4 days. Okay, I'll just do a week then. I'll stop next Monday. So we have 3 days left. Okay, let's check the hard time frame. I hate fucking price action like this, bro. Like we're just ranging, going down, going up. Yeah, these are like a daily. I haven't. Okay, we're in a daily. We already took the dailies external and then we're kind of going up. We are also rejecting off of this. So I'm bullish right now. Could manipulate lower. So it doesn't look like it wants to go to a 4-hour right now. Okay, we're in a 50-minute, so let's keep that in mind. We already took like the significant draw. There's more draws above, but it's from like way long ago. So I'm open to both sides. Let's see what the macro does. Okay, 10 a.m. opened. We put the wick down. I'll be open to longs if we close above these highs and kind of go for like these relative equal highs. Well, okay. Okay, let's see how this goes. And I wanna like do live price action because I kind of want to see like how it's reacting. Okay, not bad. Some accumulation on a 15 seconds accumulation, so we should manipulate lower here if it wants to. Okay, yeah, it doesn't want to. Alright, that's fine. Let's take a screenshot of this. Bang. No trade. 0, 0, 1. Wait, no. 0. Time entry, macro. Time frame entry. I should clean this because I only use like half of them. Price action was good. Rules followed, yes. SMT, no. Look, I didn't check for news, bro. Monday. Wait, what is Monday? Yeah, Monday, no news. No news. What does this mean? I kind of like stole this template, so I don't know what this means. Does that mean like I blew my account? Who the fuck tilts on backtesting? This is no trade. Guys, take a screenshot of the trade. Or the lack of trade. Bro, I'm lost. Oh shit. How do I delete this? Okay, whatever. No trades since price didn't tag me in. We were reacting off a 15-minute bullish gap. Macro opened. Had a small move up. 10 a.m. opened. Open low high close. We had a market structure for rally gap. I had a limit added and also 0.5. Then tag me in and then moved higher. Okay, let's check news because I always forget that. Also, this is wrong. Like, this is supposed to be Monday. There we go. Monday, Tuesday. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Fed Chair Powell testifies. Yeah. Usually, I don't trade these days. Let's go to the 1 minute. Just skip to the macro. Just make it faster. Horrible price action expected right before Powell speaks. Also, Powell is getting fired. Rest in peace. He was a good guy, kind of. Doesn't look like price action that I would trade of. I'm down to shorts if price really wants to. Is there a 5 minute? Yes. We did tap it. No trade for me. So that's why you gotta look on every time frame. Like I could have shorted this for value gap and get stopped out. I will forward test it though. Dude, where's the trend line? There we go. 5 minute. Okay, let's forward test it. Would I have gone listed? No, I wouldn't even got tapped anyways. Okay, I guess Powell said like a racial slur or something. Okay. Let's just get a trade. Powell. No trade. Zero. Powell. Chairman speaking. This guy predicted that Powell was gonna get fired. No trade. Could have taken a short, but we were reacting off a 5 minute bullish gap. Also Powell. Also P was shit. Powell was speaking. What else I want to say? Then price just dumped. Okay, let's go next day. Wait, already? This is an entire week, right? Yeah, I did 8 days, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Okay, whatever. Okay, that's it. So, hopefully this video was useful on how to like journal when you're backtesting. And yeah, it's 27 minutes. Alright, if I'm not gonna backtest anymore. That was kind of mentally draining. So, I'll maybe record another video.